think it's poor judgment, and I think we've done it.
Where did you see the fish?
In the pond.
Where are we going?
Okay. Okay, so we are going to go across the trail, up to under the trees, and then we veer this way, and we follow this around this way. We should take a compass bearing. Once we get to the trees, we should orient the map, and the waterfall's right there.
Oh, okay. Cool.
I didn't see this on the freaking satellite. It's a hole. You good? You need to get a hold of that hand of mine. Tip me over. All right, up the other side. I could see the fence on the satellite pictures, but I couldn't see the hole. And we need to head off in this direction here. All right, so I'm pretty sure we're shooting that tree line, right? Oops. We undershot the destination. We came in where my thumb is instead of up here where we should be. In fact, what we did is we've gone this way. So now we're hopelessly lost, and this is a survival situation. Carmen, she is ready to go. There's a pothole lake over to our right, and you can see it. So we're going to head on over there and check it out. To go check out these rocks over there. You think, Carmen?
Yeah.
You want to go over there? Beautiful iron stained rocks, all pretty in red color. You said you wanted to go on top of them?
Yeah. This is the place.
Oh, we should probably go around the other side. Yeah, right on up there. Directly behind me. our secret waterfall hike. Encountered a little burned out area. Hey, it could have burned naturally. There's been something going on though. See, that's cut
Oh,
off.
that is cut.
These are all cut off. So maybe it was a fire break. I don't know. Smells like old campfire in here. Oh, and there's Lake Nunnery or Lanise way off in the distance there. My map, we can go right this way over to the water right away. So let's check this way out. It goes quite a way that way. I think it's time to do something. Right dead onto the waterfalls. And stubble, there's another one up there. Cool, man. Look at how fast the water is running. Almost looks like a fish down there, but it's the... Yeah. Look at how pretty this is. I want to get close to it, sit down and eat some snacks. Careful, don't get too close to the edge.
Shady bit.
Howdy, ma'am.
I think I'm gonna put my shoes on.
Okay.
Probably eyes freezing cold.
Yeah, I think you can stand on that rock right there.
But I could.
I got a skeeter on me. Check out how shockingly clear the water is today. Beautiful shade. Okay, there's skeeters. Got to go through the bug spray ritual.
Icicle.
Skeeters buzzing around. Where is that bug spray? Ah. Makes all your little nicks and scratches. Makes all your little nicks and scratches sting. I gotta go spray Carmen.
Ah, bugs are gone.
I thought you were not going to take your electronics out there.
It's just like you said, it's bone-chilling cold.
Yeah, but out here in the sunshine, it is not bone-chilling cold. It's very warm and nice.
Okay. Okay, it looks like we've got some wild growing asparagus here. I recognize the leafy part, but when you look at the stalk here, I mean, this really looks like asparagus. I hate to damage it, it's so cool, but I'd love to just pop this green one right off of there and chew on it. See if it tastes like asparagus. Of course, it's probably highly toxic, faux asparagus. But it sure looks like asparagus to me. I wonder if there's a fresh shoot coming up. We got some of that other stuff coming up through here. That's cattail. Or not cattail. I don't know what it's called. Some kind of fern. It's similar, but it's not it. I wonder if I can find a piece to eat and chew on.
Probably got bear piss on it though.
Well, it's not the time of year to be eating it. But I think I'll just leave it alone. It's just too cool. And it looks a lot like these guys, but these are different. These are all water-filled fern-like things.
This tiny little pond is exactly why you don't want to be drinking out of the stream. You can see it's just loaded with microorganisms that might like to have a home inside of you.
Shouldn't there be crabs on Crab Creek, you know, like crawling up out of here trying to bite us and stuff?
I don't think there are such things as crabs in fresh water.
Well, there are freshwater crabs and dry land crabs, but I just don't know if we have any here in Washington State.
Dry land crabs?
I've never heard of it, and I've been here all my life.
I've never heard of dry land crabs.
Well, yeah, there's crabs that just live on land, and there's freshwater crabs, but I've never seen them. I don't know. It could be. Maybe there's no such thing around here.
I don't think so.
Okay. Oh, good birdie.
See any fish?
No, but I'll be damned if those white rocks down there don't look like seashells.
Oh yeah.
Wow, very nice. Yeah. Very serpentine creek.
Full 360-degree panoramic view coming your way from the side of that mesa over there. As soon as I fire up this didgeridoo. Bar.
There's the truck.
You know, we didn't. Still jumping.
Yeah, we still gotta cross the Grand Canyon here. It's always fun crossing the Grand Canyon.
Huh?
Sorry, dear.
It didn't seem so bad with the at first trip. Now I'm thinking.
Well, we can look around and see if there isn't a easier place to get down on both sides. Maybe we'll go down here and up way over there.
Mine wasn't bad.
But I hate to leave. This little canyon up here is more interesting than you might initially notice from the road. It's kind of deep, actually. Seems like there's just miles and miles and miles of this exposed rocky cliffside up here.
think we've done it.
Where did you see the fish?
In the pond.